Hello, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be discussing what is going on with my setup just now. This room is a bit of a mess and I have been working on it, and I'm going to go over my plan. I'm going to visualize and show you my plan, what I've kind of got the idea for this YouTube stream room for 4DXT Productions. So in this highly detailed plan here, which my camera shadow is going over just now, and all my drawing on the wall, this is what I've kind of got a plan. So this is the ceiling here, which currently looks like this. So the idea is to lower part of it, have LEDs around the side and 5 kettle lights or spotlight things there, possibly a green screen coming there. So this is the door, which is there, come in, computer there, and possibly a green screen that you can bring down. As I said, the little lights and with the LEDs, possibly being able to control them from there. If I do LEDs like KSI's new room, I can draw a whole bunch of holes there. But this is something to think about. I've also I'm going to take this wall and make a frame and put plasterboard down, so I can actually get some sockets in, so I can get like up to like 16 or so electricity sockets there, but I have no idea how that's going to work. I do, however, and these lines here are representing where the wallpaper is going to go, and I've deciding where not to put the wallpaper along there or get some panels with felt. But the wallpaper I have chosen is the Lamborghini wallpaper. So the idea is I'm going to try and work out if I can get like a 2-way or 3-way switch there, so when I come in I can just turn on one of the lights here, and if I want all the 3 things on, the LEDs, the main light and the spotlights, I could hit or individually control them. The LEDs will obviously you'll be able to control them with a remote as well. I also moved my trains over here. They used to be on this wall, but I am very excited about upgrading this room, and it's just about finding time to do it. I'm possibly not going to Rome in a few weeks, so I may have some extra money to do it. I've got about 3 rolls of the Lamborghini wallpaper, so enough to do this wall, and it depends what I do with that wall. I also need to get the timber and everything for the roof and see how that's going to work. I need to work out with the Joystar and put a couple of strands down, and then I can build a frame on top of that to lower the ceiling a wee bit. The original idea I was thinking about of just lowering the whole ceiling, but I think just coming in and having partial low ceiling would be quite cool. I just have to wait and see. Thank you for the new subscriber. I'm up at 107 now, and thank you for taking the time to check out the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. This has been a wee building update on my stream.